Hey, welcome back to Camping and Coffee. Appreciate you stopping by. Today we are going to be talking about the Atlas Coffee Club. That's right, Atlas Coffee Club. It's something that I've been interested in for a while. I was kind of getting bored with taking the same old bag of coffee out of the cupboard and then doing the same old thing every day. I just kind of wanted to spice it up just a little bit, do something a little bit more unique, adventurous, get out there, see what's out in the world. So the best way I thought of was join a coffee club, and then they can send it to me each month. And it's also for a low price. For a 6-ounce bag, 12-ounce bag, it's like $4 or $7, somewhere in that neighborhood. I think 6 was $4 or $5. The 12-ounce bag was like double that price, and then you do have a little bit of shipping on top of that. But however, as you get coffee in, and the more miles that they come from, the more rewards you can earn, more that you can then take things off. Like you can earn a free bag of coffee. You can also then earn free shipping. You can do different things. The more you stay involved with it, the more it is. Also, Atlas does a good job. So I was reading up on it a little bit more, like I said, and Atlas does a good job of taking care of, of the farmers, the communities, the local, their crops. It just helps them out a little bit. So I like that a lot too. So let's open this up, see what's in it. It says the world, of coffee. Cool. Some kind of a postcard. It's got a little bit about the region that it comes from. Looks like this bag says it comes from the Monte Alban region, sub-region there in southern Mexico. It's fully washed. It's 1,300 to 1,900 meters is where the coffee is grown. That's cool. I'll read this little information card about it. Oh, here we go. Tasting notes. Should taste cherry, milk chocolate, and lime. And the roast level is a medium roast. Oh yeah, here you go. This is exactly what I was just talking about. It says they pay, Atlas pays above fair trade prices and prioritizes sustainability across the globe. When you enjoy your coffee, your pursuit of specialty coffee means coffee countries, coffee farmers, and coffee roasters are able to reinvest in coffee quality and sustainability year over year. All right, let's see. Anything else? Bag of coffee. It's a cool looking bag. I have to say, it's kind of neat. Feels neat. Neat little bag. All right, let's open it up. Let's see what we got here. Oh, yeah. Oh, I love these. Oh, it's fresh. Oh, yeah. Dude, I can smell it right away. Oh, man. Well, that is ground fine. I did ask for grinding or grounds this first time, but I actually switched it over to beans for the next bag. I want them all because I've been using my little hand grinder. I think I just get a little fresher taste from it. But man, that smells good. Ooh. Oh, I'm getting down in there on that one. Dude, you can smell the cherry and the lime. Man, I really smell the cherry and the lime in this bag. I don't smell the chocolate as much. Here, let me move these over. Pour a little bit out here. Get a little look at this. So there you go. Not that you haven't seen coffee before, but no, it looks good. Smells good. Let's give it a little taste. What do you think? I may regret this. Oh, that's going to be good. That's good. That's going to be really good. Can't wait to try that one in the morning because the other bag's just about done. And so I'm going to get rid of it. Oh, hey, no need waving a knife around. Plus, I'll probably scrape that back in the bag here in a little bit. I'm not going to waste it. That's for sure. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for checking it out. This is pretty cool. This is the, like I said, the Atlas Coffee Club. One thing, check the link in the description below. It is a link that if this is something that that somebody may like, you've got a coffee lover in the family or a friend that enjoys and loves coffee, hey, click on that link. It helps me, gets me a little bit of money. Well, I think it gets me some half off some bags or something, but it also gives them or you some money as well, like a free bag of coffee. So check it out. Send them, holidays are right around the corner. Be something pretty cool, something they probably really enjoy. So thanks for watching. Like I said, appreciate you stopping by. Appreciate you checking it out. Be sure to check out here probably in about a month or so, because the next bag is showing up in the next few weeks. So can't wait, and we'll do another unboxing and see what's in that one. All right, take care. We'll see you in the next video.